Hello, my name is Tanya. Today I am going to show you a best Discord bot named Bravers. Bravers is a Discord all-in-one bot. This bot can manage a whole community alone. Bravers have lots of features like anti-nuke, raid mode, music, welcome greet, boost message, loggings, fun, games, verification, PFP gen, ticket, etc. I am a junior developer of this bot. You can see there have lots of features. This single bot can manage your whole community. If you are getting any problem, feel free to contact us via email or Discord dedicated support server. Link in the video description and pin comment. We have lots of uncommon features that make this bot more special. I can't show you all features because of short time, but you can explore our bot, and I can bet we don't disappoint you. You can add our bot from here. Thank you.